70% of breached organizations say the cause was too much access given to third parties. That's not just a security issue, it's a permissions problem. Good governance isn't just about checking boxes. It keeps your IT systems clean, efficient, and secure. As Brian Ledger, co-founder of Infotech Solutions, says, good governance is a pillar of sustainable IT strategy and critical to maintaining an impenetrable technology infrastructure. Too many teams let SharePoint permissions spiral out of control. That leads to accidental exposure, higher IT costs, and compliance gaps. If you're manually assigning file access or letting old user permissions pile up, you're making it harder to keep your data protected. This episode covers practical ways to fix that. You'll hear about 10 tested permission best practices, like setting permissions at the site level, using built-in security groups, and avoiding direct permissions to users. We explain why you should apply the principle of least privilege, how to handle external sharing, and why custom permission levels should only exist when absolutely necessary. You'll also learn how ShareGate reporting, vCIOs, and automation tools help track and manage permissions at scale without bearing your team in admin work. Clear permission structures save time, reduce mistakes, and let your team collaborate without constant IT support. You can read the full article now on our website and learn how to take control of your SharePoint environment. Add this to your playlist so you don't miss the next one.